Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can link your charts in TradingView. So how to actually do it. So when you come here and you're like, you can only like change colors here or something, but you know how to actually do it. So what you need to do is next to the unnamed, you can have the select layout. In the select layout, you're gonna have the options of having a multiple layouts, and then you have things here like crosshair and symbol. And right then when you have it, you can have like easily link the charts, right? So that's how we do it. So if you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. So symbol, crosshair, and you're good to go. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.